Now, your Storm Track weather with meteorologist Eli Millard.
Well, starting off with cloud cover this morning. The cloud cover, higher moisture and also wind has kept us warmer. A cloudy sky right now on our Lawrence Cam and I shot of the booth. And temperature right now in Topeka, 69 degrees. Your feels like temperature at 69. Dew point in the lower 60s. And a south-southeast wind at 13 miles per hour. It's going to warm up this afternoon. And with the higher dew points, it's going to feel warm and humid. And that environment will try and produce storms later on this evening. Temperatures in the upper 60s and lower 70s. A warm start this morning and already breezy. A south wind anywhere from 15 to 25 miles per hour, even closer to 30 miles per hour at Junction City. This afternoon, that wind could gust as high as 40 to 45 miles per hour. So it's going to be a windy day, and wind means change, and we've got a storm system on the way. Highs today climb to the upper 70s and lower to middle 80s. Tomorrow morning, we start off with temperatures in the lower 50s. So much more of a drop-off throughout the overnight hours as a cold front will push through later on this evening. And that cold front will also spark that chance for storms after midnight tonight. A south wind this afternoon, 20 to 30 miles per hour, gusting as high as 40 to 45 miles per hour. Then a north wind in towards tomorrow morning. So we're having some clouds develop and a few showers. Don't be surprised if you're heading out the door, especially in our northwestern counties. We have a few raindrops on the windshield driving into work. Other than that, quiet this morning. Here's your storm system. It is a powerful storm system as we are on the eastern edge of that, which is where we get the upper level support to see strong to severe storms to develop. So here's your outlook. The main bullseye point will be in the southeastern Minnesota, western Wisconsin, northern Iowa. This is the area with less question marks. The more south and west that you go, the more question marks that you have. So an enhanced risk for severe storms for the northeastern portions of the viewing area, just a slight risk everywhere else. A few tornadoes are possible, large hail, and damaging wind. We're watching 2 rounds of storms that could potentially develop, one between 6 and 9 p.m. That one is the one with the more question marks. What we have is a cap in place or a lid on the atmosphere. It's a layer of warmer air higher up in the atmosphere that will prevent storms from developing. If storms can break that cap, they will go severe and produce these threats between 6 and 9 o'clock. Some data like storms developing, some data has no storms developing. Then we're tracking a secondary round of storms that will fire along the cold front around midnight. That will be mainly a damaging wind and large hail threat. The tornado threat is pretty low with that secondary round. So here's future track. Quiet this morning, the clouds in the area. Eventually we clear things out by the afternoon. Here's 7:30. You notice no storms have developed here in northeast Kansas. This model has the cap holding. No storms developing, the cap holding in place and waiting for storms to fire along that boundary more towards midnight. And again, some of these storms will be strong to severe, and they'll fire along that cold front and push towards the south and east, mainly that damaging wind threat with those storms. So we're going to have to watch between 6 and 9 o'clock, even between 10 o'clock, if storms do develop. So a lot of question marks with it. Just pay attention to the weather later on this evening if we have those storms develop. Okay. So temperatures today will climb to the 83 degrees, 30% chance for a few storms, so a lower chance at that because of the cap in place. A 20% chance for a few showers also on Tuesday, a much better rain chance on Wednesday into early Thursday. Could see a few thunderstorms early Thursday morning. 73 for your high. Then we dry things out towards Friday. 74 degrees on Friday, 75 on Saturday, then tracking another chance for rain later on Sunday.